Does it have an on? It doesn't have an on button. You just connect it. Hi guys, my name is G and welcome to BooredFemme. Today we are unboxing a pretty cool box. It's the Simple Human Cleanstation and it's supposed to clean all of your devices in 30 seconds. So meaning it's supposed to take all the germs off, all of the yucky stuff you pick up in the street, you plop your phone in there and it cleans it for you. Let's unbox it. Okay, now what do we have here? Okay, so it says, just read the back of the box. 30-second UVC LEDs are enhanced to kill 99.9% of germs on your entire phone service. So even like the camera, you know, like, yeah, it gets dirty in there sometimes. Anyway, let's see what we have here. Okay. Oh. It kind of looks like you're supposed to put Pop-Tarts in it. like a toaster for your phone. And instructions, I'm guessing. And you plug it up. Kind of wish it was wireless or like battery, you know? I feel like that would make it sleeker because then you could just kind of put it anywhere in your house and it'd be like, people would be like, oh, what's that? Okay, so let's test. I'm gonna try with the smallest phone I have, which is the iPhone 12 in purple. And okay, do I face it this way? Does it have an on? It doesn't have an on button. You just connect it. And then you just drop. Ooh. And now we just wait. I think that light means it's like cooking.
Yeah, you could put on a timer or something if you wanted to.
I think we're in too deep. I don't think we can do the timer now anymore. We're
Maybe,
just gonna
maybe
wait
the next
for
one.
it. The next one. It's 30 seconds. The light is changing. How do I know if it's really clean? We're gonna have to trust it. Okay, that was fun. Now let's do the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is obviously much bigger. Let's see if it works. Oh, wait, are you gonna time it, babe?
Yeah.
Time it?
The timer.
Okay. I'm gonna put it facing me now. I don't think it matters, but I just wanna test it. It's kind of fun. So how was your day?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've got videos to edit.
You can edit this video
Yeah, I will.
in 30 seconds.
No, it's gonna take
We're waiting. It's done cooking. It's done cooking.
30 seconds. I was, yeah, 30.
It's clean. Okay, now for the last phone. Going for something slightly bigger. The Mi 11 Ultra. Let's see what happens. What if it gets stuck?
Is that with the case on? Yeah, let's try with the case on. Let's see. Maybe. Yeah.
Oh yeah, because I mean, you do want to clean the case. Yeah, that makes sense. Hold on. It doesn't want it. Is it the case? Okay, so apparently, maybe not with the case, but I feel like the case is gonna be dirty. I want the case clean too.
You can sanitize your case separately.
While that's cooking, just so you guys know, this device is $199, which is it's a little pricey. So I feel like for that price point, I wanted to do my case too. It's the least it could do. But let's see. I do wonder though, if it gets stuck, how do I take it out? There's no like secret portal in the back, guys. There's not like a hatch button. There we have it. 3 extremely cleaned phones. Tell me in the comments, guys, would you spend 200 bucks on this?
Well, I mean, she put it on the table, so it's not clean anymore.
Oh, damn it. Anyway, leave comments down below. I want to know if you will spend $200 on this 30-second cleaner. I feel like it's a conversation starter. Like when people come into your house, you could just be like, please deposit your phone in the station. I feel like for that, I might spend 200 bucks. But anyway, I am really excited to hear you guys' thoughts, and I will see you guys on my next video.